Welcome to DevCraft. Are you a developer with an amazing app, but still not making money from it? Don't worry, in this video, we'll explore simple and powerful ways to monetize your app effectively. One of the easiest ways to earn from your app is through ads. You can integrate Google AdMob or Meta Audience Network to show ads. But remember too, many ads can annoy users, so keep a balance between user experience and revenue. Monetization means turning your app into a source of income. It's not just about ads, it's about understanding your users, their needs, and how your app can bring value that users are willing to pay for. In-app purchases are another great way to earn. Offer users extra features, premium items, or faster progress for a small fee. Games like Clash of Clans and Candy Crush use this model very successfully. Subscriptions create long-term income. Offer monthly or yearly plans for users who want continuous benefits. For example, YouTube Premium or Spotify use this strategy to build recurring revenue. To monetize your app successfully, always test different strategies and track what works best. Keep your users happy, and they'll keep your app alive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to DevCraft for more AI and app development guides.